नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मराठी दुनिया चॅनलवर मी गैबिनंद घोगे आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत करीत आहे। कृपया चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा, व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि नवनवीन अपडेटसाठी बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करणे विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।
Welcome friends on Marathi Dunya channel. You can visit us at www.mymarathidunya.com. In this video today we learn standard 3 subject math. Topic name is number work. Subtopic is the introduction of 3-digit number. Page number 8 to 10. In this video we introduce 3-digit number. Let me introduce. Look at this chart. In this chart we learn 3-digit number as an introduction, and the question is, in the empty boxes write the number in words. Look at these boxes. First box is crayon, next is hundreds, tens, units, and the last box is number box. There are two sub boxes in figures and in words. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक तक्ता दिसत आहे ज्यामध्ये रंगीत कांड्यांचा संच आपल्याला दिलेला आहे। त्यामधून आपण हंड्रेड्स, टेन्स आणि युनिट्स वेगवेगळे करणार आहोत आणि नंबरच्या बॉक्सेसमध्ये इन फिगरमध्ये आणि इन वर्डमध्ये आपण त्याला रायटिंगमध्ये लिहिणार आहोत। लेट मी स्टार्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ 3-digit numbers. Here it is hundreds crayons box and 1 units. Now we write down its in 100 box. In 100 1 box we write 1 in hundreds box. Then here it is no tens, so we write 0, and in unit place here it is a 1 unit, so we write 1. The number 101 makes a 101 number. Here it is in figure, and in words is 101. In this type we learn 100 to 109. Next is 100 crayons and 1 to 2 units. It means in 100 box we write down 1. In tens box nothing tens here it is, so we write 0 in tens box, and here it is 2 units, so we write down 2 in units box. In this way the number makes 102. It means 102, and in words it's write down as 102. Next is hundreds crayons box. Then here it is a units are 1 2 3 100 0 tens and 3 units makes 103, and in words 103. In this type we write down 103. A hundreds crayons and unit is 1 2 3 and 4. In hundreds box we write down 1. In tens box here it is no tens, so we write down 0, and in units box here it is 4 units, so we write down 4 in units box, and the number makes in figure 104. It means in words we read it 104. 100 1 2 3 4 and 5 unit. In 100 box we write down 1. In tens box we write down 0. In units box we write down 5 units. In this way the number in figure makes 105, and we read it 105. 100, and units are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here it is in hundreds box we write down 1. In tens box here it is nothing tens, so we write down 0, and units place here it is 6 units, so we write down 6. In figure the number makes 106, and we read it 106. 100 crayons a box and units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 100 box we write down 1, tens 0 and units 7. The number in figures makes 107 and we read it in words 107. The given crayons box is 100 box. Then units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In 100 box we write down 1. In tens box we write down 0 and in units box we write down 8 units. The number in figures makes 108 and in words we read it 108. Here it is one box of hundreds crayons and the units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In hundreds box we write down 1. In tens box we write down 0 and in units box we write down 9. Number in figures makes 109 and we read it in words 109. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads of the wires. Write the number in figure and in words. Here it is some beads and we string the right number of beads on the wire. The first example is 100 bunch. 100 bunch is 1, 2. Tens bunch is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundreds bunch is 2 and tens bunch is 4. And the units are 1, 2, 3, 4. We string it. First we string in hundreds wire 1, 2. Then we string tens in tens wire 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we string 4 unit in units wire 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way it means we make 2, 4, 4 and the number makes 244. We read and write it 244. Next example is 100 bunch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and tens bunch is 1. Unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We string 100 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here it is one bunch of 10. So we string 1 beads in tens wire 1 and then units wire. Here it is 7 units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the number makes 617. We read and write it as 617. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Here it is 403 tens and 1 unit. So we string beads in the wire of 100 is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and in tens 1, 2 and 3 only 1, 2 and 3 and in unit wire we string 1. Here it is we makes a number of 431 and we read and write it as 431. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and unit is 1, 2. In this example the hundreds bunch is 7. So we string 7 beads in hundreds wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we string 4 beads in tens wire 1, 2, 3, 4, and in unit we string 2 beads. In this way the number makes 742. We read and write it as 742. 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is no tens, so we string 100 in hundreds place and units in units place. We string 800 in hundreds wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we string units in units wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The numbers makes 808 and we read and write it as 808. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 hundreds and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Here it is 5 hundreds, 8 tens and 5 units. We string 500 in hundreds wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we string 8 tens in tens wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We string 5 units beads in unit place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number makes 585. We read and write it as 585. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this example, hundreds are 4, tens are 9, and units are 9. So we string 4 beads in 100 wire 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we string 9 beads in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then lastly we string unit beads in unit place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In 100 place 4, tens place 9 and unit place 9 digit. So the numbers makes 499. We read and write it as 499. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 1 100. Here it is no units, so we string 1 beads, and in tens wire we string 9 beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is no beads in unit place. The numbers makes 190. We read and write it as 190. 3-digit numbers writing and reading Write the correct number in the box and read it aloud. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 107, 109, 110. After 105 comes 106. After 107 comes 108, 211, 212, 213, 214, 216, 217, 219, 220. After 214 comes 215. After 217 comes 218, 321, 323, 325, 327, 328, 330. After 321 comes 322. After 323 comes 324. After 325 comes 326. After 328 comes 329. 431, 432, 434, 435, 437, 438, 440. After 432 comes 433. After 435 comes 436. After 438 comes 439. 541, 543, 544, 547, 550. After 541 comes 542. After 544 comes 545. After 545 comes 546. After 547 comes 548. After 548 comes 549. 651, 652, 655, 657, 659. After 652 comes 653. After 653 comes 654. After 655 comes 656. After 657 comes 658. After 659 comes 660. 761, 762, 764, 766, 768, 770. After 762 comes 763. After 764 comes 765. After 766 comes 767. After 768 comes 769. 871, 872, 874, 875, 877, 880. After 872 comes 873. After 875 comes 876. After 877 comes 878. After 878 comes 879. 981, 982, 985, 988 and 990. After 982 comes 983. After 983 comes 984. After 985 comes 986. After 986 comes 987. After 988 comes 989. Make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. दिलेले अंक एकदाच वापरून 3 अंकी संख्या तयार करा. Given digits are 1, 3, 2. We make 3 digit numbers from 100 is 123 and 132. From 200s, 213 and 231. From 300 we makes 312 and 321. The given digits are 3, 5, 0, 305, 305, 350, 530, 503. Note that 035 and 053 are not 3-digit numbers because these numbers are written as 35 and 53 using only 2 digits. Make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. Given digits are 6, 8, 7. We make 3-digit number from 600 is 678 and 687. From 800 we makes 876 and 867. From 700 we makes 768 and 786. Given digits are 1, 2, 6. We makes 3-digit number from 100 is 126 and 162. And from 200 we makes 261 and 216. From 600 we makes 612 and 621. Given digits are 4, 5 and 9, 459, 495. From 500 we makes 594 and 549. From 900 we makes 945 and 954. Given digits are 3, 7, 0. We make 3-digit number from 300 is 370 and 307 means 307. Then we makes 3-digit number from 700 is 703 and 730.